Good morning, 10th class children. We are starting today after a small break. We are doing progressions. Sixth chapter, third exercise. Sum to n terms of AP. We are doing problems on that exercise. We did so many. And once again, I am writing the formula. Nth term of AP. An of AP is A plus n minus 1 of D. Sn, sum to n terms of AP series is n by 2 of 2A plus n minus 1 of D, or n by 2 of A plus L. A plus L, where A is first term, L is last term, N is the number of terms. Sn, sum to n terms of AP series. By using this formula, we have to solve the problems. The three problems are left on this exercise, and today 11th problem. 11th also we have completed. I explained. 12th progressions. 6.3 exercise, page 150. Twelfth problem. Nineteen 2021 calculus. A spiral is made up of successive spherical semicircles with centers alternatively at A and B, with a starting with center A of radius 5 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, as I am shown in the figure. What is the total length of such spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? See, you see the diagram. Open page like this. In the middle there is A, one spiral, like this, second spiral, third spiral, and so on. Here this is A, this is B, this is C, this is 1.5, this is 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter like that. One, 1.52. This is L1, this is L2, this is L3, like that. Given like this. Say this is B, 2 centimeters. We have to find the length of successive semicircles is L1, L2, L3, L4, centers AB, AB, let us find length of semicircles. Here AP series is the AP series is equal to 0.5 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2.5 1.5 comma 2 comma 2.5 centimeters etc. Here A equal to 0.5 and B is equal to 1 comma 5 centimeter. Difference 1 minus 0.5 0.5 is 0.5. N is equal to 13 spirals. The length of L2 L4. We have given L2. This is the L4, L3. L3, L5 like the length of this semicircle perimeter of semicircle is equal to only pi r plus d. This is only pi r. And sum of the perimeters. This is the pi r. Only this. We need not add d. Only r perimeter of the semicircle excluding diameter. AP series is equal to pi r1 plus pi r2 plus pi r3 dash up to pi r13 spirals. Pi 22 by 7 taking common r1 0.5 plus 1 plus 1.5 plus 2 plus dash 13 terms. Apply formula. 22 by 7 Sm is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of d. N is 13 by 2. 2a 2 into 0.5 plus 13 minus 1 12 into d 0.5. This is 13 by 2 into 1 plus 6. This is 13 by 2 into 7. And sum of outside there is pi n by 2 pi SL 22 by 7 SL 22 by 7 into SL 13 by 2 into 7 7 cancel 11 3 are 33 for 143 centimeters. Sum of 13 spirals is equal to 143 centimeters. Spirals L1. We are taking semicircle. This is semicircle. This is half of the circle. But we are taking only R. This is diameter. Only R. L1. L. Arc L. L is total circle is 2 pi r and half circle is half circle. Pi r 2 pi r by 2 pi r. I am taking pi r. Pi r1 first, second arc pi r2, third pi r3 up to 13 arcs given in the problem. N is 13. Now apply sum to m terms of series. Pi is taken common, pi lies outside, pi 140 centimeters. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner: 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the above, 18 in the row above, and so on. In how many rows are there? The 200 logs are placed, and how many logs are in the top row? In the last row, 20 logs. 20 logs are arranged like this: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In the above, 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And here 1. 20 here, 19 here, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18. And like that, 200 logs are arranged. 200 logs are arranged. Like that, 200 logs, total 200 logs are arranged. We have to find a number of rows. How many logs are there in the last row? We have to find. Some of the total logs are given, and we know the AP series. AP series is 20, 19, 18 dash. We know SN. SN given here: A equal to 20, B equal to 1, B equal to 1, like this. B is 1 and Sn is equal to given 200. We have to find n is equal to how much? How many rows are there first? Sn is equal to d is minus 1 because decreasing order, descending order. Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of d. So sum of total number of blocks given 200. N we don't know. N by 2. 2a. A value is 20. N we don't know. B value minus 1. If 2 will come inside as by 2 will come inside as into 200 into 400 is equal to n of 40 minus n plus 1. Now 400 is equal to 41. N of 41 minus n multiply 400 is equal to 41n minus n squared. We get a quadratic equation in n variables. Minus n squared or plus 41n minus 400 is 0. And plus this plus 400 is coming right side, it becomes 0. Or taking minus common, n squared minus 41n plus 400 is 0. Product is 400, sum is 41. See 25, 16 now. 25, 16, both are minus. See, factors are n minus 25 and n minus 16 equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to 25 or 60. But it is not satisfying for 25 rows. For 200 logs, total number of logs 200. 200 suffice for 16 rows. So 16 n is equal to 25 rows not possible. 25 rows are not possible. Are not possible for 200 logs. For 200 logs, it satisfies. 200 logs are satisfied. For 16 logs, 16 rows. So number of rows are 60. Now let us substitute A, last term. Now Sn is equal to 16 by n by 2 of A plus L. L last row. We want number of logs in the last row. An. Let us find An enough. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 of d. Last term, last number of logs in the last row. A 20, n 16, 16 minus 1 is 15, d minus 1. 20 minus 15, number of rows are 16, number of logs in the last row are 5. So this is the solution. Number of rows are 16, logs in the last row, last 16th row, number of logs are there in last row 5. So this is the solution. Last problem, 14th. In a bucket and ball race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first ball, and the other balls are placed 3 meters apart. In this statement, there are 10 balls in the line. See, this is a game. Here is a ball, first 5 meters, and next 3 meters, and next again 3 meters, and the next 3 meters, and the next 3 meters. Here is a bucket. Balls. Here is a ball, here is a ball, here is a ball, here is a ball. A runner starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest ball and runs back with it and drops it in the bucket. Runs back to pick up the next ball, runs to the bucket to drop it in, and she continues in the same way until all the balls are in the bucket. What is the total distance the runner has to run? Here, totally there are 10 balls. There are 10 balls in the line. 10 balls. Okay. Picking the first ball and dropping it, and again picking the second ball and running to the bucket and dropping the ball in the bucket and going back to pick the another ball. So now see the series. The AP series is equal to first 5 meter, 5 plus 3, 8 meter, 8 plus 3, 11 meter, 11 plus 3, 14 meter, dash dash, 10 terms. 10 terms, right. Here A equal to 5 and D equal to 3, 8 minus 5, 3, and N is equal to 10. We have to find Sn. Sn is equal to how much? We get 1. And coming and going to down, we have to down it. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of t. This is the first, and this also we can avoid confusion. Coming back, you can write here 10. You can write it as 16, you can write it as 22, 28. Coming back, so here A is 10, D is 6 down, and N is 10. Now Sn is equal to 10 by 2, 2 into A, 5 plus 5, 10. Plus n minus 1, n are 10, 10 minus 1, 9, D 6. This is 5. This is 20 plus 54. This is 5 of 74. 5 4s are 20, 370 meters. Total distance the runner should run 370 meters. See, like this we have do sum of in terms of the series, AB series. So we completed 6.3 in the next class, geometric progression.